Isang napakasayang araw po sa ating lahat. Pakinggan po natin ang good news para sa ating mga teachers galing mismo sa Secretary ng Department of Budget and Management, Ma'am Amina F. Pangandaman. Okay, ito po ay noong ceremonial signing ng IRR ng Career Progression. Okay, so ito po.
Ano po ba ang meaning ng TBM? Alam nyo ba? Market, Budget and Management. Dito, bawal mag-asawa. So mga taga-DBM, single din sila. DepEd Secretary Sani Angara, PRC Chairman Charito Zamora, SC Commissioner Ryan Alvin Acosta, our stakeholders, fellow public servants, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you, Congressman Ruban. Morning din po. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I am delighted to be part of this momentous occasion marking the fulfillment of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s directive to promote professional development and career advancement for our nation's education. The signing of the implementing rules and regulations of Executive Order number 174 series of 2022 reflects our commitment not only to their professional development but also to address the ever-evolving needs of our learners and communities across the world. I am especially honored and thrilled to again work alongside the then Senate Committee Chairman Finance, Senate of Representatives, and now newly minted Secretary of Department of Education, Sani Nagara. I know much has been said about this well-deserved appointment. However, I would like to emphasize that indeed proven track record and unwavering commitment to improving the Philippine educational system make him fit for the job. I am also confident that just like his father, my former boss and mentor, the late Senate President Edgardo J. Angara, he will elevate the country's educational system to greater heights. Ang sabi po ng Pangulo sa kanyang tatlong sona, kung talagang ninanais natin na maging matagumpay ang hinahangad nating pagbangon sa larangan ng edukasyon, ang ating mga guro ang dapat nating itaguyod at patatagin. It is high time we provide our educators with an environment where they can grow and thrive, as their profession is not limited within the confines of the classroom. Instead, it is a lifelong path of learning, transforming, and evolving, especially in this ever-changing world. By establishing pathways for career advancement of our teachers, we are creating a positive work climate that makes them feel valued and engaged, which ultimately leads to a more stable and experienced workforce in the education sector. Today's signing sends a powerful message to our dear teachers that their calls not fall on deaf ears, that their hard work is recognized, their growth is prioritized, and their contributions are acknowledged. Bakit mariin ko po itong sinusuportahan? Dahil alam ko po sa puso ko na wala po tayo lahat dito kung wala po ang ating Maikwento ko lang din po. In the past few weeks, we have conducted meaningful dialogues with several teachers groups at the DBM office. At isa po ito sa aming mga napag-usapan. Ang pagpapatupad ng EO 174 kasabay ng nakaambang salary adjustment para sa ating mga guro. At, at katulad po ng inanunsyo ng ating mahal na Pangulo, may nakalaan po tayong pondo para sa naturang salary adjustment para sa mga kawani ng gobyerno ngayong taon. Kasama po rito ang medical allowance. Furthermore, rest assured that in our proposed national budget for the upcoming year, the DepEd will remain as one of the top government agencies that will receive the highest allocations. This is our commitment towards fostering a culture that prioritizes learning, supports and upholds the welfare of our teachers, and enriches the lives of every Filipino student. Every step forward in an educator's career is also a step forward for our learners and our country as a whole. Kaisa niyo po kami sa DBM sa pagpapasiguro na lahat ng guro sa bansa ay may oportunidad ng mas magandang buhay para sa kaunlaran ng sektor ng edukasyon, para sa bawat mag-aaral, at para sa bagong Pilipinas. Muli, marami pong salamat at mabuhay. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow, thank you so much, Secretary Pangandaman.